Hello student, how are you? Very good morning. This is Amita. Today welcome to our science fact channel. Today's topic properties of liquid. This is a series of water, a wonderful liquid. In previous session already discussed about some material sink and some material float in water. Here discuss about properties of liquid. This topic will taken from CBSE pattern. This is a very important topic for grade 5th. So let's start properties of liquids. You know that water is a wonderful liquid in our nature. Without water, uh, we cannot survive. And animals, human beings, animals, creature, plants, even plants cannot survive without water. So let's know what the properties of liquid. So let's start and let's now take a look of with example of properties of liquid. Okay, so with the help of experiment. Okay, so let's now look at the properties of liquids with the help of little experiment. So firstly draw here beaker. Okay, this is beaker here and fill with water. This beaker fill with water. Firstly take a beaker. First diagram beaker beaker fill with water, and second here this one is glass filled with water, filled with water. Okay, this one second is glass, this one, and third is flask, this one, third is flask, this one, this is flask. Filled with water, this is flask. Filled with water. Okay, so firstly draw here. Take a beaker and fill with water. Firstly, water in a beaker, mark the level of water. In a beaker, mark the level of water. Here, this one. This is a mark. Here, black mark the level of water. Mark the level of water. Level of water. Okay, so look at the screen and we know about properties of liquid. Firstly take a beaker and fill with water. When the from the beaker the water pour into glass, the water pour into glass, this one, the water takes the shape of beaker. Okay, and the first properties of liquid or water is shape is fixed, shape is changed, and volume is fixed. Firstly, how can prove? The water in a beaker, the water takes a shape in a beaker, the water takes the shape of the beaker. Here the water takes the shape of beaker. Okay, and here second, observe that this is a glass, the water takes the shape of glass, the water takes the shape of glass. Here, when the water pour into glass from the beaker, the water takes the shape of glass. Okay, and then third, we will come about third. This is a flask. When the water pour the flask from the glass, the water takes the shape of flask. Third, the water takes the shape of flask. Okay, so this is a first property. Here the water takes the shape of. Now put the water into flat bottom flask. Okay. Firstly, put the water from the beaker into glass. The water takes the shape of glass. And third, observe that when this water put the flask from the glass, the water takes the shape of flask. So we can say here the change of the shape is all level changes in liquid or water. Okay, the firstly property is here, a liquid has no fixed shape of its own. It takes the shape of the container in which it is put. The first property here, noted here, the liquid has no fixed shape. Liquid has no fixed shape. The liquid has no fixed shape. Okay? The liquid has no fixed shape. Okay? Liquid has no fixed shape. Its own. Liquid has no fixed shape. Its own. This is a changeable. Okay? It takes the shape of the container into which it is put. Liquid takes the shape of container into which it is put. The liquid takes the shape of container when which it container into which it is put. Okay, so liquid has no fixed shape. First property has no fixed shape. No fixed shape. Okay, because prove that with this little experiment. Revise again. Firstly, take a beaker and fill with water. Observe that the water and mark the level of water. Okay, and observe that the water takes the shape of beaker. Okay, you know that this experiment very little and very understand concept. Know about properties of liquid, because liquid or water has no fixed shape. Prove that with this experiment. Firstly, take a beaker and observe that the water takes the shape of beaker, and second, this is a diagram of glass. When water put in glass from the beaker, the water takes the shape of glass. And third diagram of flask, when water put from the glass into the flask, the water takes the shape of flask. So no, we know and observe that liquid has no fixed shape, its own. Liquids or water, it's no fixed shape, its own. The liquid takes the shape of container. The liquid takes the shape of container, shape its own. Liquid has no fixed shape, its own. The liquid takes the shape of container into which it is put. No fixed shape. So this is a know about liquid or water has no fixed shape. So water is a very wonderful liquid in our surrounding, found in our nature. Without water, we all cannot survive. So firstly, know about properties of liquid. Liquid has no fixed shape. How can prove? With this little experiment you can draw and you can understand with this video. So before finishing this video, I will request to all please subscribe, like and more share and press that button for upcoming notification. And for next series, we know about liquid has a fixed volume and how can prove with this experiment. So next video we will know about liquid has fixed volume but shape has no, the shape is always changeable because liquids has no fixed shape its own. When the liquid takes the shape of the container, which container into which it is put, no fixed shape. Okay, so thank you. Good.